how to buy creator bid token. Now this token came under the symbol of a bid. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, this token, it will be listed or it's available, sorry, on MEXC. So go and open your MEXC account. Now, if you don't have an account in MEXC, go down in description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account in MEXC under it to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, after that, what you do in the search, type bits like that, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Wait a few seconds to be able to see this page. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, click on buy, select the limit. Here you can type how much you want to buy, like that. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of the USDT on your account. Now click on buy bids. Now if you click on markets, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of the USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click here on buy bid. Now this is how to buy a bid token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.